If your company has yet to adopt a hosted collaboration solution, you should consider doing so now or your business may get left behind. A recent report conducted by Markets and Markets forecasts that the unified communication as a service market will grow from $13.10 billion in 2014 to $23.34 billion in 2019. This number represents a compound annual growth rate of 12% in the next 5 years. The report found that more businesses are transitioning from an on-premise infrastructure to a cloud-based unified communications model for a number of reasons. In particular, companies are making this move for the cost savings and service option benefits. The report also pointed out some of the other benefits of unified communication solutions, such as its ability to accelerate business processes and reduce traveling time for workers. Flexity's FlexTel is based on Cisco's hosted collaboration solutions architecture and could be the right HCS solution for your business.